Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a few purchases to share with you. A couple from Amazon and one from Nordstrom. All right. The first item I like to share you with is this belt. This belt was influenced to me by, I believe, I'm not 100% sure, Dana Baez. I watch a lot of her Amazon hauls. I watch a lot of her videos. But so far, her Amazon requests have been spot on, and I believe this belt was recommended by her. I needed a black belt. I have a black belt from White House Black Market. It's adjustable with elastic in the back and leather in the front, and it has a silver buckle, which for some reason I'm a spaz and can't seem to buckle. All right. So she recommended this belt because I kind of needed another one, maybe with gold hardware, something pretty simple. And I also do like adjustable belts because sometimes I wear my pants lower, sometimes I wear my pants higher, etc., etc. So this one was advertised as full leather. It is definitely a high quality belt. I am looking at this and the way this is made very nicely. And it was like $28, so not a cheap belt. I'm not 100% sure I buy that this is leather. I mean, it doesn't feel like fake leather. It could be very well be leather, but I'm not so sure I buy that it's leather. It does kind of, honestly, the back, this portion, have kind of a plasticky feeling and doesn't quite feel leather, but maybe it is. They say it's 100% leather. But the stitching is exquisite on this. I mean, this is a nice quality belt. I got this, I'm a little obtuse. Took me a while how to figure out how to adjust it. But it has these material here that you can go smaller and larger and then pull it, etc. So when I put it around my waist now it's too big. So then I can pull this open more and then wear it like that. Now that I have this and I put this on, I'm not so sure, and again, it's still too big. I'm not so sure I like the fact that you can see the adjustable part on top of the pants. What do you guys think? All right, so here I am making it tighter because it was too loose. I'm thinking I don't like this. I'm gonna look back at the footage and see what it looks like from the back of me. But other than that, it is a high quality belt and it does pretty much serve my needs. All right, so again, it has gold hardware, it's black. I believe it also comes in brown, and I will give you the link below. And here is the way it closes. It's like a twist, okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next Amazon pieces. Next up are two pairs of pajamas that are very similar to each other, and I'll probably return one of them. Or maybe not, because they are pajamas I like and I do need them. They are 56% cotton, 37% modal, and 7% elastane. They're by Amazon Essentials. They're kind of like the Nordstrom one. They got the white piping around the collar here. It has buttons down the front. This one is in a light blue, but I would say it's more of a periwinkle blue. I do size up these in the size small. There is a pocket. It has the drawstring waist, okay? And it just has the straight pajama leg. Nice and breathable, natural material. You see there's piping here on the cuff on the bottom. Really great quality. I already own two pairs of these. I think I showed you last time. One in a light pink and one like in a salmon pink. And here I got them in a light blue. And then I also got them in a lavender. And as you can see, the colors are quite similar. But you know what? They're pajamas. You know what? I'm not going to go bother returning these to Amazon because I do wear them. All right? So they're both the same thing. They were $28.50 each. Highly, highly recommend these pajamas. And I will try them on for you. Again, I size up to a size small. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the item from Nordstrom. The last item I'd like to share with you is the Dolce Vita Bene loafer. I had my eye on this for a while. I first saw it at Stitch Fix and I asked them 9 million times to send it my box and never got it. They still have them on Stitch Fix, but only in silver and black. They're now sold out of this yummy brown. I love this color brown. And I tried them on and they feel comfortable. They have the stitching here around. It has a square toe. There is no gripping here on the bottom, so maybe the first time you need to wear them, you might need to scuff them up a little bit. There's a slight gripping here on the heel. letting you know this isn't too structured. This won't dig into your foot. You can see how soft it is. And I'll try these on for you and style them. All right, give me a minute and you'll see a try on. Okay, the first thing I'm styling is the belt and the shoes, and I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the belt, but I need to stand back so you can see the shoes. So I got my normal size 7 in this. I say they run to this size, if not even just a little bit generous, because my feet are a little bit on the wider side, and I find that these feel pretty comfortable now, and I'm pretty confident that they'll stretch out a little bit too. I like because they have a nice high vamp on this. That seems to be my problem. Like, I cannot wear ballet flats for the life of me. They flop off. But because this is nice and high up on me, I can keep these on. They're nice and cushy. I have to say these are probably the most comfortable flats that I currently own. And I really like these and I highly recommend them. They're $130 in Nordstrom. Like I said, they also have them in Stitch Fix currently in black and silver. And I think they also have some other colors too on Nordstrom as well, besides the brown too. So I'll give my links below in the description box. And yeah, you can order them if you want or not, but I find them extremely comfortable and I like them a lot. I paired it with a brown jacket, a pair of jeans. These are my barrel jeans from Free People that I got from Macy's, and the belt, and I decided because the belt is black that I should go with the black top, brown jacket to kind of coordinate the whole thing. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the belt. See the back. I'm sorry, my video got cut off. See the back of it? I decided to keep it because I think this is not very noticeable back here with the adjustables. And yeah, I could use a belt and I could use this little gold detailing here. And it's other than that, it's just a very basic belt that I'm gonna add to my collection. And because the belt was black and the shoes are brown, I decided to put on a black top. This is by Open Edit. It's sleeveless mock neck. I got it from Nordstrom during the anniversary sale. Put on a little brown jacket to kind of bring in the shoes. And yeah, this is my little outfit here. What do you think? Shoes, belt, recommend both. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the pajamas. Hi, okay, here are the pajamas. Now keep in mind, I'm 5'2", so I'm a shorty, and these are the perfect length on me. Again, cotton modal. I mean, these are like ones that like Nordstrom would sell. I would say it is their quality. Again, I have 2 pairs of these already, washed and worn them several times already. Really, really enjoy these pajamas. Buttoned down the front, and again, the piping here on the cuff, the piping here on the pockets and on the lapel, and of course, and on the bottom. So, highly recommend these pajamas. I believe it was Dana Baez, again, who recommended these, and I'm not going to try on the lavender ones for you because they're the same thing. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.